Hello kids. Today's topic is fish names. Let's start. Sailfish, swordfish, silver carp, ruhi fish, cutla fish, knife fish, tilapia fish, zebra fish, reba carp, grass carp, mandarin fish, flying fish, stinging catfish, starfish, cuttlefish, basha fish, valaga fish, lionfish, triggerfish, padda fish, tangra fish, bela fish, swamp eel, spiny eel, hilsa fish, spadefish, clownfish, trumpet fish, snakehead fish, clown trigger fish, angel fish, rabbit fish, goldfish, discus fish, tiger fish, bat fish, rat fish, needle fish, paddle fish, sawfish, walking catfish, pike fish, pomfret, ray fish, lobster, shrimp, frogfish, jellyfish, whale, dolphin, cowfish, filefish, toadfish, pufferfish.